And I am using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Ombre Blush and in the shade Broken. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a really intense look and I hope you guys are ready for it because I made it up on the spot and I kind of went in with colors I have never gone into before. I'm sure you're all wondering, what is the palette we're using today? Well, it just so happens to be the biggest palette that I own. The Morphe Dare to Create, I can't even see myself, 39A. If you guys are not familiar with this palette, it has 39 colors, hence the name, but it has gigantic transition colors in the middle. And I actually got really inspired to use this because I'm sure you all know already, James Charles is coming out with his 39 Morphe palette. And it looks really pretty and I'm gonna get it. But this is what we're working with today. And I am actually going in with with these blue shades today and a couple of these transition colors. And I was really proud of this look that I created. Just, you know, I was just playing with makeup. I created it and I was like, oh my god, I love it! So anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, Throwback Palette Thursday is where I take any old palettes older than 3 months, and it could be collabs, beauty boxes, holiday sets, limited editions, just generalized palettes that are like, you know, older than 3 months. As long as it has 5 colors in it, I will use it for my Throwback Palette Thursday because every Tuesday following that Thursday, I do a palette roulette with the palette that I used for Throwback Palette Thursday, this one. And I actually let an app choose 4 of my colors, and I get to choose one just because it could choose 4 shimmers and I want a matte, or it could choose 4 mattes and I want shimmer, or it could do 4 darks, like this video up here. And I choose a light color, etc. So this way you are getting to use older palettes that you may have not used in quite a while, and you get to bring them out and play with them not once, but twice in the same week. So that way all of our older palettes here get some love, and they know that we still appreciate them, and we can create really pretty looks still using them. So if you guys would like to see this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the transition shade. And to do that, I am holding this, I guess I'll hold it the right side up because there's no mirror. These names are on a sheet of plastic, which is, it's a great question. Oh my gosh, this thing takes, okay, hold on. I gotta do this in, isn't it? Okay, so I'm taking my transition color with this and this mixed together. This is going to be a long tutorial. The palette's gigantic. This is going right on my brow bone. So now right above the transition shade, to blend that in just slightly, I'm going in with just this color. Alright, I actually forgot my inner corner highlight and I went ridiculousness on it, and I just used the Alchemist palette in Blue Sapphire. Oh, look how pretty all the kickback is. Anyways, so it's just a really blue highlight. You can use any like super intense blue highlight and it'll work just the same. Next, I'm actually going in right in my crease, not in my actual crease, but right in underneath my brow bone on the top of my eyeball. And we're going in with this in the blue section. I'm going in with this kind of pretty deep purple color. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the lid shade, and I am going in with this beautiful blue here. And this is going almost all over the lid. I'm going to show you the general shape that I'm going to be doing with it. And you guys can, it's kind of like a halo, but it's not a halo look for once. So let's, let's go. So now that really bright blue shade in the middle is obviously that. So I am going to tap that in with my finger just to give it the most pigment, and then we'll work on deepening up that outer corner. Alright, so now to deepen up this outer corner, I am going to go in with this purple blue shade here. And then I'm going to be deepening it up with one other color. But this purple kind of gives a really pretty gradient as well. So I'm just putting it right here. Now I am going in with this color once more, this kind of purpley brown here, and just tapping it on that outer corner. Alright, now I'm going in with that same dark brown purpley shade, and I am doing my entire lower lash line with it. Now, really close to the bottom lash line, I am adding this beautiful navy blue, and I am using a very flat, skinny packing brush. What is this called? A liner brush? Oh, who cares? And then I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with this similar color blue. The blue that I am using is Jordana Easy Liner in Blue Divine, and it kind of looks exactly like that color. Alright, so I'm just going to line that inner corner with that blue, and then I'm going to add mascara and lashes. Alright, so now that we have our eyes done, they are intense. And I don't ever wear blues, so this is new for me and I'm kind of loving it right now. Holy crap. So let's move on to the blush, which is going to be light because this is so, whoa. And I am using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Ombre Blush and, in the shade Broken. In the shade The Princess Daiquiris. So let's put this on with my new favorite blush brush in the entire world, the JH06. I need like 80 of these because I use these for everything. It's called For Everything brush. That's true. This is just a little wash of kind of a peachy mauve. More of the peach side. This also would look good with kind of like a your skin tone kind of blush, because you don't want to overpower your cheeks or anything else for that matter, because this is a very intense look. Okay, let's move on to highlighter. Excuse my lips, I've got foundation on them. It's just gonna stay like that until I put on lipstick. Okay, I'm using the Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold, and I love these. Do you like what my daughter did? A little fingerprint. So I'm gonna just stick with kind of the peach theme that I got going on here. This is one of Tate's favorite highlighters, and I mean, it's okay. It's not bad. It looks really pretty with this look. Not mad. Alright, for the lip, I am actually going in with two products. I'm going with the Tarte lip paint in some unknown color, and it was a sample box in some kind of beauty box, and then I'm going in with this kind of gloss in the same color. I guess it's a little bit more peach, but I just really like the combo of these two. This is the Model Company Lip Lacquer, and also mysterious name. So, sorry. You can see how it's pretty much this exact same color. There we go. That is this Throwback Palette's look today, the Dare to Create 39A by Morphe. I don't even know how I'm going to take a picture of this for the thumbnail. I should probably do it like this. Yeah, that'll be good. So let me know if you guys like this look, and if you guys have created looks with the 39A palette. Also let me know in the description, and I would love to go watch those. And also keep an eye out for next Tuesday, this palette roulette, where an app gets to choose these colors for me, and I get to choose 1 out of 5 colors. So that should be interesting because there's 39 colors, so that would be a look. So that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! And there is a little bit of oh geez. Where did all this glitter come from? Why is there glitter all over my cheek? So I'm taking a this is going right on my brow. So now that we have our eye done, so let me know if you guys liked. So let me know on did I say collabs? Collabs. That took out 5 million eyelashes. Ouch.